There's a metro train coming in. This is in downtown Lake Forest, and we are at the 770 building here. Not a very flashy looking building, but it's very 70s. Take a look at this. Oh, they don't usually, I guess, oh, they replaced the lights, but they used to have these big round 70s looking lights in that stairway. Anyway, let's film the elevator. And there's something special about this elevator. You'll see why in a minute. Does that look a little familiar? That would be my profile picture. Unfortunately, the up arrow is burnt up, as you'll see. It's burnt out, as you'll see. But this is the elevator where I took my profile picture. Otis. That is the elevators of Lake County Lantern. Oh, look. Yeah, see? It is broken, unfortunately. It's burnt out. Anyway, look, you can see part of the sensor is broken. I want to point out, the light is not slowly coming off and on. That's my phone doing that. I guess now the down isn't lighting up. It's very strange. They actually redid this whole area out here. I love this cab. This is a neat cab with that like ceiling. It's like, looks like a chocolate bar. You can see that's where the old panel used to be. It used to be one of those economy Lexans, one of those HPAs. And look, it's not showing up. The tube is lit up. Now, yeah, look, and now it's slowly coming on. It's not doing that in real life. That's just the phone camera. That's bizarre. Why would it do that? Here's your certificate. Sure takes a while to level at the basement. Otis. Let's see if we can call it for up and just get that, if we can get that lantern. I doubt it. It's been burnt out for years, so. Nope. That's what my profile picture used to be, or is, when it used to light up orange. Anyway, that'll be it.